Now today we are going to look at how you set the proper way of setting chroma key. So this is how we're going to use our chroma key, and this is how we're going to set our chroma key, and we remove the background. Let's go into the tutorial and see how we're going to do it. First of all, we are going to open our OBS. Then after opening our OBS, then under OBS we are going to remove all this, and then we set our device capture. Take a for instance video capture device. So this is how we're going to set it. Then here we say okay. Already I have already set my background here with this green screen, green cloth, and after this, then here I am going to say okay. After saying okay, then I'm going to enlarge this our video so you can see me. I'm here. Then after this, what are we going to do? We are going to apply our chroma key. How we're going to do it? We click in our video device capture. Then after we got filters, then we go to chroma key here. Yes, chroma key. Then after chroma key, we do it like this, and we see that our chroma key is not perfect. Even if we try to balance all this, it cannot easily be perfect. You see, it cannot be perfect because it has some wrong lighting. So what we're going to do is that we're going to bring it to normal. We're going to set it this way, like this. So after like this, we are going to take it a screenshot, and then this is our screenshot, and then we take a screenshot. After our screenshot, we have to save it on our device, but call it key 4. I'm going to say key 4. Then after key 4, then I save it here. After saving it here, then remember we need to organize our chroma key so that it becomes perfect. But how are we going to do it? Down here, then I go to my Chrome. Then after going to my Chrome here, then I add another tab. I say color picker. Color picker is already there. I hit enter. Then I add another tab. I say color picker. So for the color picker, we have to color matching painting. Then when we say okay, no, color picker should be like this. And now we're going to color picker from here. You see here it is telling browse red ketchup. For the color picker, it is not specific that we will choose only one color picker, but what are we going to do? We are going to use it here. Select image optional, then browse, select the image from which you want to check the colors, drag and drop the image file, paste the image from the clipboard, Ctrl V. Then here it is telling to browse, and when we go down here, it is giving us different colors. So with these different colors, we have to choose which color specifically that we have to use. But for us, we are not going to use these colors because they are all custom colors. But what are you going to do? We are going to browse our color here from this one, browse. Then we go into our laptop. Remember, I am setting to color 4. Then I bring from color 4, then I bring our image. This is our image. So from our image, I have to touch here any color within our within your preference. Then our color is coming here with this code. So with this code, I have to touch. I have to copy. I have to copy this color. I have copied this color here. Then here I go back. I go into our OBS. Then I bring back our window. Then chroma key. After here, then I have to set here as a custom. After setting custom, then here I select color. Then here what I do, I delete this one. Then I paste our color. Now this color that we have brought here, this is the exact color that is matching our background here, this one. So this is the same color, exact color as it is here, because remember we have gone online and we checked from there. So now meaning it must be matching and gonna be perfect. How? Then we say okay. If we say okay here, then we bring our window here. So after we bringing our window here, we are going to use this one. Karas. So our window has worked out. Our window has worked out. Yes. 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 So that's how we set a chroma key. That is how we set chroma key. But yeah, that's all. Now from here, the background has disappeared. So once the background disappears, you can put anything that you feel like backside. So we're going to add another window. Let's assume that I'm going to add another window capture here backside of it. Moreover, I don't have any set window capture, but if I feel like I can open this one like this, then I go to back to my OBS, then I set my window capture then I reset my window capture here. I go properties, the window capture, the window is already there. Now this is our window. I'll extend, then I bring myself here. I think you have seen how this thing is perfectly working. Now I look end of capture. Then for this issue, I look this. Look it this way. Voila! So this is how we set this background removal in OBS. I think this is a perfect. When you notice there is some color speed here, you see, so you can either reduce according to your preference. How? You're touching here and hold your alt key, and the reduction is not working. You left click on this one, then you go transform. After you go transform, you go to edit transform, then you say no boundaries, and then when you place no boundaries, you place OK. Then here you are ready to go. Deleting or resizing your, then here you can lock it, and you can either disappear, you see, so I can even disappear, and then I can also reappear on just a click. So this is how we remove our background using our chroma key. However, this chroma key is not so much expensive. You see behind here. What you should do, you just go to Amazon, try to get a very good chroma key that will do the work perfectly. So this is how I have managed to remove my background. I think you can see. That's all. Then I try to teach you, or let us learn all this. If I want to interact on my window at the same time, I will just minimize it here. Then I bring my window here. So whatever I'm doing on this window is happening backside there. You see? So whatever I am doing here is happening backside. So when you go to here, then you say, here you'll say from Amazon, then you can say chroma key. No, you say green screen, then you see enter, that will bring forward. So these are the green screen that are available, very cheap. You look at this one, $89. This is a 65. Look at this one, $17, only $17. There are several green screens here that we can still use. So brothers, let us do things professionally. You see, there are here very many green screens that are available right now. So you can buy according to your preference. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. So thank you very much for watching my video until the end. What you should do, make sure that you subscribe on this channel. More that is coming. Thank you very much. God bless you.